Are you selling Valentine's Day cookies or any product at all? In today's video, I'll show you how to make an eye-catching cookie presentation using Canva. It's quick, fun, and perfect for showcasing your brand. Now let's get started. So okay guys, when you log into your Canva account, just go to the bottom, create a blank video. Okay? And what we're going to do is go to the top and we're going to change the color ink background. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to elements on the left and we're going to click on circle. Okay, and we're going to make it a little lighter. Okay, so so we're going to make this a little larger and center it. Okay, and I'm going to start adding to the page. Okay, turn it around some, close it in. Okay, make it a little smaller and turn it so it'll be like that. Okay, then I'm going to add my next cookie, and I'm going to make sure that it is the same size as the other cookie. All right, so once that's done, I'm going to drag this cookie over here. Okay guys, and then we're just going to turn it around this angle. Okay, all right, the next thing we want to do is grab this one right here to our left, and we're going to make it the same size as the other cookie hearts, and I'm going to put it over here. We're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to drag it over here. Okay, our next cookie is going to be this one. Okay, we're going to reduce the size of it just like the rest of them, and then we're going to turn it around in this angle, and we're going to put it right here. Okay, okay guys, so the next thing we want to do is to group this. Click group, and then we're going to enlarge it. Okay, so that it'll only show like one cookie or maybe part of a cookie. All right, okay guys, so next thing we're going to text, and we're going to add our heading in here. I'm going to type in romance, and I'm going to bring it up here at the top. I'm going to change the font to Seymour 1. Okay, and then I am going to change the color to white, and then I am going to reduce the size to about 84. Okay, I am going to copy and paste. I'll drag this down, and I'm going to put heart. Okay, next thing I want to do guys is come over here, and I am going to type in buttery cookie top with vibrant red hearts. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color of this to a brown, a soft brown. Duplicate the picture, duplicate it down at the bottom. Okay, you're gonna decrease the size some. What I'm gonna do is go back to our group picture cookies, and we're gonna rotate it right. Okay, and there's our next cookie. Okay guys, so we're gonna change the name. This is going to be Blue Bliss. Okay, and I'm going to say it's a buttery cookie, a buttery sugar cookie. Okay, and I am going to say it's topped with blue icing with a touch of sweet charm. Repeating the process, we're gonna come down here and duplicate the page. Okay guys, so next thing we want to do is we're going to rotate this again to our next cookie. All right, going to hug, and we're gonna put hug and. Okay guys, once you have all your cookies, you're gonna go back to the beginning and we're gonna reduce the duration. Once you have your duration below from 3.1 to 3.7, what you're gonna do is go below, add a transition, go to match and move on the left, and we're gonna increase the duration to about 1.5. We're gonna apply to all the pages. And then we're going to go from the beginning and we're going to press play. And this is the final result, guys. So guys, that looks pretty good to me. If you like this video, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.